Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for DTC U0404, which indicates invalid data received from shifter for the Honda Pilot models ranging from 2016 to 2022. This error code indicates issues in the electrical circuit involving the shifter, rather than any mechanical problems within the transmission. When this code appears, it's crucial to approach it systematically to ensure a comprehensive review of the potential causes and solutions. The error is most often linked to the shifter assembly and the shifter control module. Understanding the components involved, their locations, and roles will be essential in resolving the issue efficiently. Let's delve deeper into the details of this DTC to enable effective diagnosis and repair. DTC U0404 points to an electrical circuit issue between the shifter and the vehicle's systems. Specifically, it indicates that the data received from the shifter is invalid, which can disrupt the vehicle's operation. The shifter assembly plays a critical role in translating the driver's input into commands that the transmission control module, TCM, can understand. Typically located in the center console of the Honda Pilot, the shifter sends signals to the TCM, which controls gear shifting. A malfunction in the shifter control module, often referred to as SBW, shift-by-wire shifter control module, may lead to this error code. If there are no mechanical problems detected, focus your troubleshooting efforts on electrical issues, connections, and the shifter assembly itself to identify and rectify the underlying problem. Understanding the possible causes of DTC U0404 is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Firstly, this code is fundamentally tied to electrical circuit problems, indicating that there may be broken or shorted wires affecting communication. Next, a faulty SBW shifter control module could lead to incorrect data being relayed or processed. Lastly, issues such as part connections or loose terminals between the shifter module and the TCM may prevent proper data transmission. These causes highlight the importance of inspecting the vehicle's wiring and connections thoroughly. By methodically checking these areas, technicians can pinpoint the source of the problem and take appropriate corrective action. When DTC U0404 is triggered, several symptoms may become apparent, affecting the vehicle's performance. Drivers may experience transmission shifting issues, where the vehicle struggles to change gears or fails to shift altogether. This can lead to poor acceleration or erratic behavior while driving. Additionally, the dashboard may display warning lights, indicating a malfunction in the transmission system. In some cases, the shifter itself may become unresponsive. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0404 involves conducting a detailed DTC check. Start by turning the vehicle to the on position without starting the engine. This mode enables the diagnostic computer to function properly and assess the current error codes. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. This action resets the system and might provide fresh data upon the next scan. After clearing the DTC, turn the vehicle off completely to ensure any transient errors are wiped away. Allow a moment before returning the vehicle to the on position again. Once in this mode, recheck for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS, which allows you to confirm if U0404 or any other codes persist. In the second troubleshooting step, it's critical to verify the problem indicated by the DTC. Again, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If DTC U0404 is still present, this indicates that the fault has been duplicated, leading to a high likelihood of a malfunction in the SBW shifter control module. This is a specific indication that could warrant replacing the entire SBW shifter assembly. If U0404 is not detected, it may suggest an intermittent failure, meaning the system could be functioning correctly at this moment. In such cases, meticulous examination of all connections and terminals between the SBW shifter control module and the TCM is warranted to identify any loose connections or damage that could have contributed to the initial error. After performing necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify that the issues leading to DTC U0404 have been effectively resolved. Begin by conducting a test shift to ensure that the transmission operates smoothly and responds correctly to the shifter's commands. Once the shifter assembly is replaced or repaired, clear any remaining DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Following this, retest the system to check if the DTC reappears, which would indicate that the repairs may not have fully addressed the problem. Lastly, closely monitor the dashboard for any warning lights over the next few drives to confirm the integrity of the repair. If everything functions as expected without error codes appearing, you can be confident that the issue has been resolved successfully. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in minimizing the recurrence of DTC U0404. Regular electrical system inspections can help you detect potential issues before they escalate into major failures. Focusing on the shifter assembly and its connections is essential, since they are critical for data transmission to the TCM. Periodically check and tighten all connections to prevent them from becoming loose due to vibrations or wear and tear. Keep the wiring harnesses free from damage, as frayed wires can lead to circuit issues. Lastly, always stay attentive to dashboard alerts or shifts that seem off. Acting quickly can prevent extensive and costly repairs in the future. In conclusion, DTC U0404 indicates an issue categorized as invalid data received from shifter. Fixing it primarily involves addressing electrical problems, particularly those related to the SBW shifter control module and its connections. After identification of the error, following the outlined troubleshooting steps is essential for effectively diagnosing and resolving the issue. Remember that constant vigilance through preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the chances of reoccurrence. Proper inspections and timely interventions will not only enhance the reliability of the Honda Pilot, but also ensure a safe driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!